Hello everyone, Siddharth here, and in this video I'm going to review this Simpex 333 tripod which I got from Amazon for 647 rupees, including the delivery charges. It is very handy for your point and shoot cameras, so let's check it out. This, as you can see, it comes inside a bag, and they have bubble wrapped the top of it to give some extra protection, which is good. So now take it off and let's see. Okay, so as you can see, after taking the bubble wrap, this is the bag you get, which encloses the tripod itself. So let's open it up and see. As you can see, this is the final product, the tripod itself. Alright, so as you can see, this tripod right here, all its three legs and the middle support, and this all these connectors are all aluminium. And as you can see, at the base of each leg you have this rubber stand, and these things, this lock levers and all these things at the top, these are all plastic, hard plastic material. So prima facie it looks pretty strong, and it has three legs, as the name suggests, a tripod. And let's put it down and see. As you can see, this is the handle using which you can adjust your camera level, angles and all. You can rotate it in 360 degrees. This is the lever which you need to loosen up so that you can rotate the camera in all the directions, which is 360 degrees, which is a very good thing. As you can see, I'm rotating it without any problem. Now you can again tighten this up where you need this camera to be fixed. You can tighten it up. That is pretty good. Okay, here you have this green liquid with a bubble inside, which will help you to stabilize the camera parallel to the ground, and that is pretty good. And over here you set up your camera, right? Now as you can see, this particular knob over here, this can be used to give this tripod a bit of height, which is the nice feature of this particular tripod. And after setting up the height wherever you want, you can fix the position by tightening this particular knob right here. You can tighten it up, and this tripod will be fixed at that position. Now these are the locks which you get, and you have two lock levers on all the three legs. You can open it up so that you can extend the height of this particular tripod, and as you can see, it is opening up very smoothly. And after completely extending the legs, you get this 135 centimeter height, or you can say 53.1 inches of height, which is a doable and workable height for any mid-range tripod. And now after that, you can lock these lock levers so that your tripod will be fixed, and you can mount your camera on top of it. And the weight of this particular tripod is 0.88 kgs, not even 1 kg, and it can carry the weight of 3000 grams as specified on Amazon. And this is how it looks like after completely extending the tripod. As you can see, my height is 5.5 inches. Let me stand beside it and show you how high it is. It is near my neck. You can click here to see another video which I produced about how to set up a camera on this tripod. So click here and see. Thank you so much for watching this video.